Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the tragic midair collision over the Potomac River near Reagan National Airport. This incident has left a deep scar in the hearts of many, and has raised numerous questions about aviation safety and protocols. This incident involves a regional American Airlines jet and a Black Hawk military helicopter, resulting in no survivors. The collision was not only a devastating loss of life, but also a stark reminder of the complexities and dangers of air travel. Let's break down what we know. On the night of January 29, 2025, a series of unfortunate events led to this catastrophic accident. On the night of January 29, 2025, American Airlines Flight 5342 from Wichita, Kansas, collided with a Black Hawk helicopter. The collision occurred at approximately 8:45 p.m. under clear skies and good visibility conditions, which makes the incident even more perplexing. The plane, a Bombardier CRJ-700, had 64 passengers and crew members on board. This aircraft is known for its reliability and is commonly used for regional flights across the United States. The helicopter had 3 crew members, all highly trained military personnel. The Black Hawk is a versatile and robust helicopter, often used in various military operations around the world. Preliminary reports suggest that there may have been a miscommunication between the air traffic control and the pilots. Air traffic control plays a crucial role in ensuring the safe navigation of aircraft, and any lapse can lead to disastrous consequences. Investigators are currently analyzing the flight data recorders and cockpit voice recorders from both aircraft. These devices are essential in understanding the final moments before the collision and can provide critical insights into what went wrong. Aviation safety experts are also looking into the standard operating procedures followed by both the airline and the military. They aim to identify any procedural lapses or deviations that could have contributed to the accident. The families of the victims are devastated, and the community has come together to support them during this difficult time. Memorial services are being held to honor those who lost their lives in this tragic event. In the wake of this tragedy, there is a renewed focus on improving aviation safety measures. Training programs for pilots and air traffic controllers are being reviewed and updated to prevent such incidents in the future. As we continue to learn more about what happened that night, it's important to remember the lives lost and the lessons learned. The Potomac River, a serene and beautiful landmark, now holds a somber place in the history of aviation. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.